In this video, I'm going to show you why affiliates marketer don't make money and how you can be a money maker affiliate. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to explain why there are tons of affiliates out there who are not making money online and how you can be a money-making affiliate. Affiliate marketing is a business model. It is a real business model that has been around since the 90s. And basically what you do is that you're going to be promoting other people's products and services. But most people don't make money because they are doing it all wrong. They are not building their business, but they are not, well, they are actually building someone else's business. Because you need, as a regular business, you need customers. And chances are that right now you're like, okay, Diana, this is kind of confusing because how I am going to build my business, how I am going to have my own customers, if I don't have any product, I don't have any service. Because remember, at the beginning, I told you that basically what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be promoting other people's products and services. Well, let me explain you first of all what regular affiliates, newbies, are doing. Okay. Basically, what they're doing is that they have a TikTok account, they have an Instagram account, they have a YouTube channel, Facebook, and this can be also pay ads. Okay. Maybe you're running ads on Facebook, on YouTube, on Google, you have a blog, and you are doing what we call direct linking. That means that you have your affiliate link and you're going to send them directly to the page, okay, to the product page, okay? So this is going to be a one-time purchase, or this is also going to be what I usually call the hit and miss strategy. Why? Because if they actually make the purchase, that's okay. You're going to be earning money. But if they are not ready for whatever reason, okay, and they don't make the purchase right away, so sad. There is no way in which you can actually gonna keep doing neither or one of these two things. First, if they make a purchase, there is no way in which you are gonna be able to keep in touch with them, okay, as a customer. If they don't make a purchase, there is no way that you can be in touch with them as a lead. Okay, and we need this. Okay, as a business, we need this. We need to own the customer. So most people are doing this, and this doesn't work. Okay, so you need to make sure that people are gonna subscribe to you. They're gonna join your email list. They're gonna join your social networks. Again, you have a YouTube channel, invite them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. You have an Instagram account, hey, they can follow you on Instagram. The same with TikTok, the same with Facebook, the same with other social networks that are gonna come. But here, in my case, you need to understand that they need to be part of your ecosystem. Okay, they need to be part of a ecosystem, and you can build an ecosystem. I actually use ClickFunnels or Aweber. I'm going to be leaving a link if you would like to give it a try. There is also an all-in-one marketing solution which is called System.io. You can also try it for free by using the link below. With System.io, and the difference between ClickFunnels and Aweber is the fact that you don't need to provide any kind of payment information. It's an all-in-one marketing solution, so that means that you can create your landing pages, you can create your email list. If you need to have a sales page, you can have a sales page, and that's another thing that you don't know, because businesses, they evolve. Right now, maybe you are a 100% full-time affiliate marketer, but maybe in the future you're gonna have low-ticket products, and you're going to be running ads to those low-ticket products, and you're going to be also promoting other people's products as well as an affiliate. Okay, so people they need to subscribe to you. Okay, and by doing this, there is no way they're going to subscribe to you. Okay, there is no way they're going to join your channels, because they don't know. You're sending directly to their product page. There is no other way. There is no other possibilities for them. And also, one of the most important thing here, if not the most important, is that, again, you need to own the customers, because you need to have repeat customers. Okay, imagine you go to your favorite restaurant. Okay, what if every single time someone go to that restaurant, it's gonna be a new customer? Man, it's gonna be really hard to build a business that way. Also, if let's make something like, if you go to the movie theater because you want to watch a movie, okay, and every single time someone go to the movie theater, it's a new person. Man, it's going to be really hard to scale that business. It's going to be really hard to sustain the business. Okay, maybe you're like, hey Diana, but what if I'm doing organic traffic? I mean, I'm not investing on paid traffic. I'm just creating content. Okay, maybe this, what you show here, maybe this is going to work. And no, because you're investing your time. Okay, you're putting a lot of effort, maybe to do a video review on YouTube, maybe to do a great post on Facebook or a blog post. Okay, no, there is no way in which you're going to be growing your business. And that's another reason why people get frustrated, because they are like, man, I invest so much time on this, so much energy, I invest money, and I'm not getting the results. I'm not even breaking even. Okay, but if someone subscribes to you and you're building your business, okay, remember, a key thing here is that you are going to be owning the customer. You're going to get repeat customers, and you have the possibility to be selling them not just one product but different products. And also, if you are looking to make sales with high ticket products, this is the way you can do it, because you're going to be building a relationship with them. Okay, you're going to be building a relationship with them. Remember that people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. Okay, and if you are just doing what I call the hit and miss strategy, there is no way you're going to do it. Okay, so if you guys want to learn more about this, okay, I'm going to be leaving a link below. So you're going to have an in-depth training about how to be profitable with affiliate marketing. In my case, well, I actually like it because it's a way in which you can actually be earning money without having to create your own product, your own service, dealing with customer service, tech support, payment processors, and all this stuff. So I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay, this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.